Hi everybody. This is a GE microwave and this is the model number for it. This microwave has a red light here on the keypad which says reset filter. And according to the owner's manual, there's 2 filters that you need to check and replace if necessary. The first filter is located under the microwave, and it's this metal mesh grease filter that picks up the air from the top of the range when you're cooking. The second filter is located on the top of the microwave behind this plastic panel. And to open it, you have to press this button and this button, and then a little door opens up, and this is where you can access the charcoal filter. Now, this red light is just a reminder light that comes on every 6 months so that you remember to check your filters. But these filters are only for the venting system. So if you're like me and you don't use your vent system, then your filters aren't going to get dirty and they won't need to be replaced. So I'll just close the door. Now to reset this light, like it says right here, hold for 3 seconds. So and the light turns off. So pretty cool. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe.